But before I begin my formal remarks, let me just allow me to say a few words in the native tongue, just to acknowledge the owners of the land on which we gather here today. Waturang sa katigoy nando numai wasa kanangan turang na Suva. Kanto kay sa katigo na nimeme mai tiko na nomni soso na kabin singendai. May karabi sa katikin na kinandola endo na walwalwalwo nunratu na company na KPMG. I was just acknowledging the ancestral owner of the land on which the whole of Suva sits, the Suva, and I was just acknowledging him for his generosity in allowing us to be here today. To the KPMG family, National Managing Partner and Enterprise, Naomi Mitchell, welcome back to Fiji. To the KPMG family, to Lisa and the hardworking team in Fiji, distinguished guests, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. Bula Vinaka, and good afternoon to you all. Today has been a great day for innovation. This morning, as I had mentioned, I opened the FNU's 5th National Conference on Information Technology. Before coming here, we also launched the highly anticipated Starting a Business subsystem, which I will share more about in my later remarks. And of course now, I am here to be part of this milestone occasion for KPMG. And having attended the opening last year in Nandi, it's a wonderful sort of way of rounding off the day. The establishment of the KPMG AI Build Hub is more than an investment in infrastructure. It demonstrates KPMG's commitment to embracing new and emerging technologies and provides that bridge for their clients. It also demonstrates the immense potential that our local talent and the vital role that enterprises like KPMG play in fostering innovation in Fiji. So, congratulations on being a pioneer in Fiji in that regard. Interestingly, just as an aside, just about a couple of months ago, I was talking to a certain BPO operator. And we talked about AI in Fiji and whether there was capacity for AI in Fiji. And I said, yeah, I'm sure there is. I've seen a few young men and women develop applications, I'm pretty sure. And then all of a sudden, Lisa told me about the AI facility here in at Sports City, and it's a signal to, I guess, not only to Fiji, signal to the region, and the signal to probably the world that there is a lot of potential in our country. And so, whilst today we gather here as a small group, the significance, certainly from my perspective, cannot be underplayed in terms of what this office means for the country and the ability to now participate and get our young men and women involved in a very powerful part of the industry, and I'm sure we all agree will be a significant part of the global economy in years to come. Ladies and gentlemen, we recently launched our National Development Plan, 2024 to 2029, and the Vision 2050, which highlights that new and emerging technologies like artificial intelligence have immense potential in reducing existing inequalities. And this needs to be implemented correctly with appropriate guardrails. AI-powered data analytics provide deep insights for informed policy making, fostering sustainable economic growth and resilience. As we embrace AI, it is essential that we do it sustainably and adhere to internationally recognized best practices to mitigate risks, protect privacy and data, and safeguard against unintended consequences while maximizing its positive impact on our societies. Some of the key barriers that we need to address the collection, storage, processing, and destruction of data. Additionally, there is a need to strengthen our data protection and governance frameworks, which government is working on, let me assure you all. However, this should not stop entities like KPMG from adopting internationally recognized data protection and governance guardrails. And I am pleased to know that KPMG is progressing towards its ISO accreditation for the use of AI and building AI solutions that KPMG International has a responsible AI framework, which KPMG Fiji is also adopting. I look forward to these being implemented, and again, it talks to how Fiji is able to attain global standards. This is more so critical for any organization with an artificial intelligence system. At the core, the rights of our people offline need to be protected online, and indeed, in each stage of an AI system, and this was spotlighted earlier this year when the UN General Assembly adopted a resolution in which Fiji and more than 120 nations co-sponsored on seizing the opportunities of safe, secure, trustworthy artificial intelligence systems for sustainable development. This UN resolution highlighted the crucial role of AI in achieving global development goals. As of June 2024, only 17% of SDGs are on track to be achieved by 2050. And studies show that only 46% of businesses are embedding SDGs in their operations. AI has the potential to accelerate this across all the SDGs, and this is also part of the discussions taking place at the UN General Assembly, where His Excellency the President is leading Fiji's delegation. As we observe the rapid acceleration of innovation and entrepreneurship in Fiji, it is a promising sign of progress. The government is committed to continue to create an environment where innovation can flourish. I would like to share some initiatives that we are implementing in this regard. Soon we will be implementing the National Digital Strategy for Fiji. This important strategy will provide us with a coordinated pathway to scale digital technology and in driving economic growth and sustainable development. The National Digital Strategy underscores pathways that allows us to grow as a nation and maximize from emerging technologies. Earlier today, as I had mentioned in the beginning of my remarks, we launched the much anticipated Starting a Business Subsystem, or SABS. This innovative platform will ease the process of doing business in Fiji, making our country an even more attractive destination for business ventures. Next year, we plan to introduce another platform that will streamline building permit application processes. We must remain vigilant about the potential risks about malicious uses of digital technology in Fiji. Fiji, like any other country, and KPMG, like other entities, are not immune to this. It is essential for all organizations to implement robust cybersecurity measures to safeguard their data and personal identifiable information. As part of the government initiatives in this space, we are working towards the establishment of a National Computer Emergency Response Team, or CERT, and the development of a national cybersecurity strategy to strengthen our security posture, boost resilience, and improve our ability to respond to the ever-evolving cyber threats. We just completed our Cybersecurity Model Assessment, or CMM, which was conducted by Oceania's Cybersecurity Center, and we are currently reviewing this. Ladies and gentlemen, as we open this AI Build Hub today, let us celebrate not just the physical space, but the possibilities it represents for our small country. I encourage you all to take advantage of the opportunities the KPMG AI Build Hub offers. Collaborate, share ideas, and push the boundaries of what is possible within the ambit of the guardrails. In closing, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to KPMG for their commitment to Fiji and their role for advancing our vision for a technologically empowered future. Together, let us work towards unlocking the full potential of our nation's talent and building a prosperous tomorrow. Thank you and congratulations on this milestone. May God bless KPMG. May God bless the people of Fiji. May God bless us all. Nakavalevu.
Hold it up to see if it actually cuts. Yeah, come on. They can cut. Yeah.
You don't cut our names.
God bless KPMG in the
Naka.
in the studio. Naka.
Nakavalevu.
Naka.